Welcome to another video on my channel. The error you are currently seeing on the screen will be resolved in this video. The error occurs when I import or export data from SQL Server. Let's get started. Search for Microsoft Access Database Engine Redistributable in any of your favorite search engine, and you will find link to this page. I will also add link to this page in description. Now click on the download button. Download the 32-bit version. Okay, the setup has been downloaded, and when I try to install the setup, it gives me error that I cannot install 32-bit version. Now run the command prompt as administrator. Now we need to navigate to the location where setup file is located. In my case, it is located in the D drive. So I will navigate to D drive in the command prompt, write name of the installer, press tab button to complete. After the installer name, put a / and write quiet. Press enter. Okay, installation completed. Open SQL Server Management Studio and let's try to import some data. Currently, we have no table in this database. To import data, right-click on the database, click Tasks, and select Import Data. Press Next. Choose Source as Microsoft Excel. Browse the file. Choose the version. Keep the checkbox checked if the first row is header row. Press Next. Choose the destination. After providing server name, authentication details, and database name, press Next. Press Next. Press Next. Press Next. Press the Finish button. Okay, the error is gone and all data is imported successfully. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how to import and export data from SQL Server, click on the video link on screen. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.